Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is August 21st, 2025, and we're diving into Walmart's second quarter earnings report for fiscal year 2026. Joining us is John, senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. It's a pleasure to discuss Walmart's latest performance, especially given the significant developments in their e-commerce and global operations.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. Walmart reported a revenue of $177.4 billion for the second quarter, marking a 4.8% increase. However, their operating income decreased by 8.2%. John, can you break down these numbers for us?
Absolutely. The revenue growth is impressive, driven largely by a 25% increase in global e-commerce sales. This highlights Walmart's successful digital transformation. However, the decrease in operating income is primarily due to discrete legal and restructuring costs. On an adjusted basis, operating income actually saw a slight increase of 0.4% in constant currency.
And what about the earnings per share?
Walmart reported an adjusted EPS of 68 cents, which fell short of the forecasted 73 cents by analysts. This miss is attributed to the aforementioned costs and higher self-insured general liability claims expenses.
Strategic initiatives and segment performance. Walmart's strategic initiatives seem to be paying off, especially in the U.S. and international markets. Can you elaborate on the performance across different segments?
Sure. In the U.S., comp sales excluding fuel rose by 4.6%, with strong growth in grocery and health and wellness. Internationally, sales grew by 5.5% in constant currency, led by markets like China and Mexico. Sam's Club also showed a 3.4% increase in net sales, driven by grocery and health and wellness.
E-commerce seems to be a major contributor. How significant is its impact?
E-commerce has been a game changer for Walmart, contributing significantly to comp sales across all segments. In the U.S., e-commerce sales accelerated with a 26% growth, reflecting the strength in store-fulfilled delivery and marketplace offerings.
Financial health and shareholder returns. Let's talk about Walmart's financial health. How are they managing their cash flow and debt?
Walmart's operating cash flow increased to $18.4 billion, with a free cash flow of $6.9 billion. This is a positive sign of their financial health. They've also repurchased $6.2 billion worth of shares year to date, indicating a strong commitment to returning value to shareholders.
And what about their debt levels?
Walmart's total debt stands at $50.3 billion. While this is substantial, their strong cash flow and strategic investments in growth areas like e-commerce and international markets help maintain a balanced financial position.
Future outlook and guidance. Looking ahead, Walmart has issued guidance for the third quarter and raised its outlook for the fiscal year. What can investors expect?
Walmart expects Q3 net sales to grow between 3.75% and 4.75%, with adjusted EPS guidance set at 58 to 60 cents. For the full fiscal year 2026, they've raised their EPS outlook to 252 to 262. This reflects their confidence in continued growth, particularly through digital experiences and AI deployment.
It seems like Walmart is heavily investing in technology. How does this align with their strategic goals?
Walmart is indeed focusing on being people-led and tech-powered. Their investments in AI and digital platforms are aimed at enhancing customer experiences and driving business growth. This strategic focus is expected to sustain their competitive edge in the retail sector.
Key takeaways. In summary, Walmart has shown robust revenue growth and a strong commitment to digital transformation, despite some challenges in meeting EPS expectations. Their strategic initiatives and raised guidance for FY26 indicate a positive outlook. Thank you, John, for your insights.
Thank you for having me. It's been a pleasure discussing Walmart's performance and future prospects.
Thank you for watching Smart Stock Watch. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more financial insights. We'd love to hear your thoughts on Walmart's performance in the comments below. Until next time.